Hello everybody, I am Indrajit Parui, again in front of you in Parui Academy. Now the time is just 8 pm. Hope all of you, all of my viewers, they are well. Today I discuss the next part. Today I discuss about the some Python character set, tokens, keywords, identifier names, string literals, and also I show a table which indicates the escape sequence which basically used in Python. Now our first topic is what is Python character set, or what are the basic character set in Python. Before knowing that, we must know what is character set. Character set is a set of valid characters that a language can recognize. A character represents any letter, digits, or any other symbols. Python basically supports Unicode encoding standard. That means we can say Python basically support all types of letter, digits, special symbols, white space, and also others characters. Now I discuss one by one individually. What are the letters? The letters are A to Z, all types. That means all capital A to Z and also all small a to Z. All digits, that means 0 to 9. All digits which situated between 0 to 9. Now I discuss regarding the special symbols. What are the special symbols? Like space, plus, minus, star, slash, double star, or double asterisk, backslash, parenthesis, third bracket, second bracket, double backslash, not equals to symbol, less than, greater than, single quote, double quote, semicolon, percentage, exponential, ampersand, hash, less than equal, greater than equal, at the rate, and also underscore are we use under the special symbol. What are the white spaces? White spaces are blank space, tab, carriage return, new line, form fit. And the others character indicates Python can process all ASCII and Unicode characters as a part of data or literals. Now I go to tokens. What is tokens? In a passage of text, individual words and punctuation marks are called tokens. All lexical units, all lexical elements. The smallest individual unit in a program is known as a token or a lexical unit. I just give an example. There is a English sentence we use, and here I details indicate which word or which symbol we use for which purpose. Now I go to some basic definition concept like keywords, identifiers, literals, operators, and punctuators. What are these? These are all tokens. These are all tokens. So I can say tokens are basically 5 types. Number 1 keywords, number 2 identifiers, number 3 literals, number 4 operators, and the number 5 is punctuators. Now what is keyword? Keywords are the words that convey a special meaning to the language, compiler or interpreter. These are reserved for a special purpose and must not be used as normal identifier names like false, assert, del, for, in, or, while, none, break, elif, from, each, pass, with, true, class, else, global, lamps, raise, yield, and continue. There are also so many keywords we use in Python. Now if anybody answer in a single sentence what is keywords, we can say that a keyword is a word having special meaning reserved by programming language. Next, identifiers. Identifiers means basically names. What are the identifiers? Identifiers are the fundamental building blocks of a program and are used as the general terminology for the name given to different parts of the program with variable, objects, classes, function, list, dictionaries, etc. Identifier specified rules. Number 1, an identifier is an arbitrarily long sequence of letters and digits. Number 2, the first character must be a letter. The underscore counts as a letter. Number 3, upper and lowercase letters are different. All characters are significant. Number 4, the digits 0 to 9 can be a part of the identifier except for the first character. Next point, identifiers are unlimited in length. Next point, an identifier must not be a keyword of the Python. And the last point is an identifier cannot contain any special character except for underscore. Now we must know what is literals or values. Literals, often referred to as constant value, are data items that have a fixed value. Python allows several kinds of literals. Number 1, string literals, or numerical literals, boolean literals, special literals, and also literal collection. What is string literal or what is string? A string literal is a sequence of characters surrounded by quotes. It may be a single or double or triple. Any types of quotes we can use in Python. Now let's look at the skip sequence in Python. Here we use backslash, single quote, double quote. But what are the purpose of the uses? It should know later, or I describe later in the later session. Here I just indicate the symbols. The symbols are the backslash, single quote, double quote, ASCII bell, ASCII backspace, ASCII form fit, new line character, character named. In the Unicode database, /r indicate the carriage return, /t indicate the horizontal tab, /u triple 4x indicate character with 16-bit hexa value, and so many things are there. Let's /v equals to ASCII vertical tab or VT, /000 character with octal value 000, and /xhh indicate character with hexa value with HH. Okay, today we end here. In next video, now we must going to start basic Python program, just like display hello world. How we can input 2 or 3 numbers and calculate the summation, addition, subtraction, division or multiplication. In the next video we must discuss it. Hope all of you must watch the video, full video, without skip it. If you like it, you must share it, subscribe it, and also give a comment. So I begin from the easy way. As a result, every student who are new in language, they can understand it easily and write down the code comfortably, easily by understanding the language or program from my videos. We want feedback from you. Please write down some comments, share it, subscribe it, and must watch my channel Parui Academy at 8 p.m.